Hi foodies, welcome! Today we're making flavorful aloo keema using simple everyday spices. Let's begin. Tempering. Heat some oil in a pan and add white cumin seeds. Let them sizzle until aromatic. Onions. Now add finely chopped onions and sauté until golden brown. Add mince. Add minced meat and fry until the color changes completely. Ginger, garlic, and whole spices. Next, add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Now drop in some whole spices, a small stick of cinnamon, a few cloves, star anise, and bay leaf. These will help remove any raw smell from the mince. Tomatoes. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until soft and mushy. Ground spices. Now add all your spices: red chili flakes, turmeric, crushed coriander seeds, black pepper, and a bit of garam masala. Also add 1 tablespoon of National Korma masala for that extra depth. Oops, don't forget the salt. Add it lovingly. Bunai, roasting. Cook the mixture well on low flame. Avoid high heat. It can burn the masala from the sides and ruin the taste. Add potatoes. Now add potatoes cut in cube shape. Mix well, pour in about 2 cups of water, cover, and let it cook until the potatoes are tender. Garnish and serve. Once done, garnish with chopped green chilies, coriander, and some fresh julienne ginger. Outro. And that's it. A simple, flavorful aloo keema made with love. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to like and comment below. I hope you enjoy this simple and flavorful aloo keema recipe. Do give it a try and don't forget to share your feedback.